Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a very cold Bowen's garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 19 plate Toyota Yaris Icon Tech. This is the 1.5 petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in pure white, and it's covered just 23,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this really nice low mileage, high specification Yaris, ever popular. The Yaris with us, one of our favourite 5-door hatchbacks without doubt. You don't get much more reliable than one of these. This is a March 2019 registered 1.5 petrol with 110 brake horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Just 23,000 miles. 2 owners from new. Really good service history right the way through its life. 6 recorded services, so serviced annually from new. Vast majority carried out at Toyota themselves. So a really well maintained car. 5-door Practicality, obviously really looks the part in this pure white with the 15-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that are in excellent condition, they really are, and it's got matching Dunlop tyres all the way round. So for a 5-6 year old car, properly well maintained. £190 a year to tax. As with all cars of this age, well over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. And being the Icon Tech, it's got a really nice level of specification. As we take a look inside, cloth interior. You've got the charcoal grey and the lighter grey at the top. Really nice condition. All the door cards are in good shape. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Electric front windows. Electronically adjustable door mirrors. We've got lane assist down there, up onto the steering wheel, which again is in really good shape. There's your mileage 23121 as it sits with us. You've got cruise control and a speed limiter. Across from there you've got your radio controls and your trip computer. Down below, cup holder at the back, manual handbrake, 6-speed manual gearbox, couple of cup holders down below. USB and auxiliary with a 12-volt socket above. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, locking wheel nut key, and then as we make our way up, really nice straightforward infotainment system. I like the setup of this, it's easy to use. Air conditioning at the bottom, and then this does have satellite navigation. If you're looking at a few of these, make sure it does have the nav. It's that button, they all have that button, but some of them don't have the sat nav installed, so if you are shopping them out, just have a check. So this does have the sat nav built in. It's got Bluetooth for your telephone, it's got a trip computer and all your bits and bobs there. It also has DAB digital radio, and if I put the car into reverse, nice big reversing camera at the back. It also has parking sensors across the rear bumper as well, so really nicely appointed. You will notice on these Yarises that you're slightly higher up off the ground. The seating position is slightly higher than, say, the Polos or something like that, so it does give you slightly easier access, good visibility. Obviously you've got that 5-door Practicality. Into the back, windy windows in the rear, but you do get 3 headrests, 3 proper seat belts, ISOFIX to the child seats, and again in really, really nice condition. Looks the part in the pure white. There's your parking sensors. You've got this chrome top to the top of the bumper, which I think looks quite nice, and then split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then a really good sized boot space, very usable indeed. And underneath, the luxury of a space saver spare wheel. So there we have it, really nice example this one. March 2019 Yaris Icon Tech with the 1.5 petrol, 6-speed manual gearbox, 23,000 miles from 2 owners with a 6 stamp service history, 50 plus miles to the gallon, sensible insurance group, and all the spec that you could ever need. Finance is available from less than £200 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with an oil service and 2 keys, plus our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, to have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely little car, good value for one of these as well. Always ever so popular with us, and I think this one will be the same. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.